This video was sponsored by Errands, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Good morning. Yesterday, man, I didn't have the energy to film, but one at night, Isabel vomited. She had some fever also in the evening. She got some tip from the health care in Norway to bring Paracet from Norway because Isabel is used to the taste and whatever. But yeah, liquid form. She got 50 milligram of Paracet. Now she doesn't have fever anymore, but she vomited. You little princess, I love you. Okay. Okay, กินได้ Here you go. วาชิกูข้าว okay. ข้าวมันร้อนนะ nice but it's hot. Achtung. Well, I've seen it many times before. The sign of vomiting. So right when she started coughing, I carried her from the bed over to the bathroom, and then she vomited in the bathroom. It was fine, no mess. She had vomited in the bed before. I was in Yeshim. And then after that, she was awake. I was like, So then figured out what the heck, what do we do? So she wanted to go in the Cybex. Yeah, she keeps saying, Cybex. Yeah, I want to go in Cybex. Okay, we went to the car, but I had to do a range test. So I went out 2 at night with Isabel. And I did the range test and I finished it around 5-ish. Okay, Isabel, เดี๋ยวเราจะทายานะ Okay, ไม่อยากเกาหน้าจะกินข้าวก่อนนะ Okay, yeah, just eat. I should teach her also English. Right now she's very fluent in Thai. But she also understands English and Norwegian. You like it? You like rice? Sticky rice, huh? It's good. Yeah. And then I went to bed around 5. Isabel fell asleep during the range test quite early. And then I carried her inside the house. It seems like she sleeps better when she has some mucus. And she sleeps more upright rather than, flat. But yeah, so then from 5 at night until 7:30, I got 1.5 hours sleep. Then I woke up because of Axel. And I had to carry him. And now Axel is asleep. And now it's 9 something in the morning. I don't know, lost time. And I think we're supposed to do stuff today, but I need some sleep before I go out. And then I was dead hungry. Also, Isabel is very hungry. So I need to feed Isabel. Kids first, parents, they can always survive. She likes lactosoy. It's soy milk with low sugar content. There's another one that is blue that she doesn't get. Oh, take out this. Okay, take out the plastic. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see today what we do. But it's Monday today, so it shouldn't be too crowded. It's okay. ไม่เป็นไรหรอกอิสเบนโอ้ที่หน่อยไม่เป็นไรไม่ต้องร้องไห้หรอกอิสเบน Look here. Walk down the stairs. I'm only 173 centimeters. A tall flang would run into this. Did she put this red and black high visibility thing here? Say, watch your head. Achtung! Yeah. Look here. Unlock the car. Get inside. And then look at the screen. Press the brake. Shift to D gear and run. Wow, Axel is quiet. Maybe he's tired. Well, yeah, this is San Kampang. It's a bit outside the city. This is the best place we could find. Okay location. We are 20 minutes away from... we were going to go to Bund Park again. We tend to go to the same places, but at least it's good over there. Yeah, so it seems like we are in some kind of Chinatown-ish area. Yeah, with lots of Chinese restaurants. But so it's still a nice chill day. วันนี้วันที่31แล้ว 30, yeah. It's like I'm in some kind of vacation mode. So I'm not sure what day it is. Monday at least. Monday, 30 December. What's up? Oh, that's a woolly. That was a woolly.
You speak English.
Yeah. Okay, we park over here like a pro, far away from the other people, because we need extra space, at least the big BYD, for opening the doors, you know, for a family. So yeah. Now let's go over here and have some breakfast or lunch. Holy macaroni, it's busy today. Can we even get a seat? Wait, is that a queue? Is that Stau? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, we have some noodles. I actually finished almost half of it already, or all of it. Namanchan, some Thai tea, some green tea in there, and then dessert. Oh. Okay, it's 2 in the afternoon now, and for once we will not go to Central Festival yet. We want to go to Lotus. It's like an old shopping mall. We want to look for some clothes. But we could have turned around earlier, but right now the kids are asleep in the back there. And we actually want to drive maybe 5-10 minutes extra so they fall into deep sleep, so that once we stop then they don't wake up right away. So we just slowpoke here. I mean, it's 60, we're going around 60 in the 80 zone, but you see that the traffic is going slow anyway. So wow, I haven't been in this shopping mall for several years, maybe more than 2 years. It's just an old shopping mall, still active. So yeah, now Isabel is asleep. Yeah, and Axel is, well, he woke up. So we were measuring his temperature. I think he has around 38.5 degrees Celsius fever. So we buy some cooling pads, whatever it's called, for him there. So, all right, and then we just stroll around here. So that thing is supposed to help him cool down the fever. Well, I've never seen it before. Isabel is still regenerating. I didn't know there's a kids zone here. I haven't seen this before. There's like a playground here. Cool. Well, we might go back to Central Festival because there's not much other stuff to do here. And poor baby, she needs to sleep now. All right, change location, go to Central Festival. I mean, why do we always go there? Well, we don't want to go to smaller shops or any walking street. That's way too hot. We are planning on going to Zoo, but it's way too hot. What's the temperature outside? 31 degrees Celsius. Oh shit. So that's why we end up there, because we just go one place and then we can just walk around there instead of, you know, loading, unloading a stroller. That's way too much hassle, man. Any daddy knows that. And here, ladies parking. Huh? Right? Look at this, ladies parking. Floor for ladies. What's up with that? Are they worse parkers than other men? Like Frauenparking in Deutschland, yeah? Here's ladies parking also. Are the spots bigger? Ich weiß nicht. Go up. Okay, we're gonna play in the kids zone again, but first we need to ask Isabel. Isabel, my name is Isabel. We have to ask her. Isabel, come here. Kids zone, who's gonna go in there? We need one adult. Isabel. Isabel จะเล่นกับ daddy กับ mommy หรือว่ากับป้าเมย์
Daddy.
Okay, you have to cross ask her. Isabel จะเล่นกับ mommy กับป้าเมย์หรือว่ากับ daddy. Okay, one last time, okay? 2 out of 2 she said that. Usually she would say randomly the last option. Isabel จะเล่นกับป้าเมย์กับมัมมี่หรือว่า daddy. Okay, I will go in there then. She answered 100% she wants to go with daddy. What? Ah. Iban. Ah. Mwah. 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 Okay. Wait. Basha. Okay, we're done with playtime, but I think we want to go to the hospital with Axel because if you look here, oh shit! He had a little wound several days ago, maybe it was a week ago, and then it seems like it has been infected. Maybe that's why he has a fever. Wait, can you see it? I'm gonna try to zoom in on the thing. Wait, why is it blurry? It's not focusing correctly. There. Okay, just Alright, so we split up now. This is a slight advantage that I have two cars. So Maya went with Isabel. I moved the car seat over there, Cybex, Anoris T. And then Maya is going to the Airbnb to feed Isabel and then shower her because it's actually getting late-ish, 6 now. So, and then we are going to the Ram hospital with Axel. So otherwise, if we go together, it's going to take extra time, and there's no need for everyone to go together. So, right? Now we get over to the Ram hospital. It takes 20 minutes. No, we don't want to go that way. Okay, well, we'll figure out something. Okay, we're now at the hospital. He's getting some Paracet. Okay, and we have to operate out this little thing here. That's most likely what's causing the high fever. So yeah, hopefully everything will be okay soon. Okay, that trip certainly took a big turn. So a lot of stuff happened. I didn't want to film in the hospital, but the infection needed to be taken seriously, and the hospital has started treatment of the infection, but it was highly recommended that Axel need to stay here, and he's connected with the dripping thing, intravenous thingy. So we have to stay here overnight. And then what about Isabel? I'm also worried about her. She has no idea what's going on. Like, where's mommy? Where's daddy? She's with Maya right now. So Maya is going to stay at the Airbnb tonight with Isabel, and then I'm staying here. We have to probably take turns with Axel. He will probably wake up during the night and stuff. Fortunately, his fever is now dropping. Yeah. So yeah. And then also, since this is a hospital stay, then there will be some cost involved, and then I have to contact the insurance in Norway and file like a case, and then I haven't gotten any confirmation yet. So yeah, but the travel insurance should cover myself and the whole family for up to 77 days, but we stay here for only 55 days. So there was some long stuff going on with Axel. They tried, they had to put that needle in him, and they didn't find the veins in his arms, and eventually they ended up putting it in his one of his legs. But I think wife and I, we realized that we have to take this wound more seriously, because we saw Axel had a little wound at the tip of the foot, and we thought, oh, he's gonna recover. Well, that wound might get infected, duh. Okay, lesson learned. Yeah, you guys can yell at us now. But next time we need to treat that wound, with alcohol or whatever that needs to be done, and then put plaster on it so that it won't get any infection. Yeah, because that could be, like now, more serious, more hassle. So, yeah, worst case is that he's gonna get some medicine treatment to kill the infection, but if it doesn't get better, he has to stay here for several days. And the problem is that in 2 days I have to travel to Bangkok with the BYD Sealion, and then switch over to Ion ES something. That's 2 cars, EVme and BYD involved. So it's kind of hassle for me to postpone that trip. So I kind of need to commit to it, which means that I'll be away from the family for 2 days. Bad timing, it happens now. So fortunately, Maya can help us. Otherwise, what the heck are we gonna do? Wife is okay. What about the rest of the family? Yeah, well, long story short, the rest of the family cannot support us too much because they are retired. They are getting quite old, and they unfortunately cannot help us. So maybe worst case we could hire a nanny. We have been using a nanny in Chiangdao, but then she has to come over here to Chiang Mai and stuff. So. Well, but we can just pay her if she's willing to come here. If it gets too much hassle, I understand. You know, if I'm not around, then I cannot help. So we just have to see then tonight. Maya is coming over now with some the remaining food and some clothes so we can get a shower, and then we just have to see tomorrow morning what's going to happen. Okay, Maya arrived with some of the supplies, so we have at least some food we bought from. Central Festival. Axel is asleep now, trying to get some food, trying to shower. Yeah, actually most of our belongings are here. We still need to clear the rest tomorrow. Yeah, those are the big suitcases we have.